Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up token allowances on Etherscan to spot risky approvals. Detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Etherscan website. In the search bar at the top, enter the wallet address you want to analyze. Press enter to load the wallet's overview page. Scroll down to the tokens section to view the list of tokens associated with the wallet. Click on any token that you wish to review further. This will take you to the tokens dedicated page. Here, locate the contract section. Click on the contract link to open the contract information. Next, find the option that says Read Contract. In the Read Contract section, look for the allowance function. This function allows you to check the spending approval for a particular spender. Take note of the token owner address, which is your wallet address. Next, you will need a spender address to analyze. Enter the spender address in the appropriate field. Press the query button to check the allowance. Review the result to see how much the spender can use. A high allowance value can indicate potential risk. Return to the main wallet overview page. Look for other tokens and repeat the process as necessary. Be cautious about any tokens with large allowances. Regularly monitoring these allowances can help you manage risks effectively. By following these steps, you can gain valuable insights into token allowances on Etherscan. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.